Being interactive with your community is one of the most important things for your stream.
So today I'm going to show you how... Wait, why do I sound...
Oh, okay. Now I sound like I'm about to narrate a movie trailer. Lovely.
Very cool, very professional. Recording this video live was totally not a mistake.
We good? We good. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make your chat more interactive and boost your earnings just like this with the Voicemod Twitch Extension. My name is Barry Epps. I'm a cryptographer turned content creator trying to help you grow your channel the right way. And as you might expect, this video is sponsored by Voicemod. Alright, for anyone who's confused, here's the deal. Voicemod has brought back their Twitch extension, and it lets your viewers, yes, your viewers, trigger voice changers during your stream for bits. We all know interactivity is king on Twitch, and this is a great way for your viewers to interact with you and let them cause a little chaos. With the free version, you get access to a handful of voices that rotate daily, and then you get to choose how long the voices last and how much they cost. If you are a Voicemod Pro subscriber, then you can make your own voice boards with their full library of over 200 voices, which is dangerous. For the streamer, viewers get to preview the voices before buying, so they know exactly which one they want to use to make your stream a little more chaotic. It even comes with a built-in queue system, so if 5 people try to hit you with a voice at once, it'll make sure that none of them are cut short or overlap to give them the best experience. And here's how you set it up. Let's start on the Twitch dashboard. Head into your stream settings and go to the extension. At the top there is a search bar. Search for Voicemod and click the install button. It'll give you a quick list of things you'll need, like having Voicemod installed and updated. And if you haven't updated your Voicemod since Ninja was the biggest thing in streaming, then please do that first. Voicemod has recently upgraded to V3, which is even better, and the extension does work best with that. To download Voicemod, you know the drill, and if you don't, welcome in, great to meet you. I hope you're doing fantastic. Head into the description and find the download link. Once downloaded, you need to install the software and log in with your Twitch account. Go to the extensions tab on the left side. You'll see VM Live Twitch. Click that. A window will pop up. All you need to do is hit connect with Twitch. This is where Voicemod asks, hey, can I speak to your channel's manager? And you say, yep, that's me, let them in. Authorize it. You're now connected and you should see your request queue. This is where incoming voice requests will show up. This is also where you can set which voices you'd like to use, the cost in bits, and the duration. There's also a little toggle in the top right that you can use to turn the extension on and off. Very useful when you have a serious moment you really don't want the voices to disturb. If you have Voicemod Pro, you can also make multiple voice boards with themes like a boss fight board or a chat versus streamer board or a total chaos board. That is all up to you. Back in the Twitch dashboard, click Activate. Set it as panel 1 or add it as a new panel. If you go to your channel's About section and click Edit Panels, you can move it anywhere you want. And a bit of a pro tip, make sure it's easily accessible near the top. And that is that nearly done. But there's one more important thing we need to do. We need to set the microphone in your OBS to listen to Voicemod. If you don't, chat will not hear your funny voices. They'll just hear you sounding normal, while in your headphones you are screaming in
Squirrel mode.
Head into your OBS and open your settings. Go to the audio and for your microphone, set it to Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. A little pro tip, if you're not planning to use Voicemod all the time, then set your first microphone to the normal one and the second microphone to the Voicemod one. Then you just mute the first one in your audio settings if you're using Voicemod. Once you've done that, there is a final thing you need to do, and that is to let your viewers know when a voice is active. There's 2 ways to do this. First way is the easiest. Head into your Voicemod settings and enable the Voicemod overlay. Choose a position and you are done. If that is all you want, then that's great. But if you're like me and you want full control of where the overlay is shown so you can attach it to your camera or move it out of the way for your games, then you need a different method. Go to overlay.voicemod.net and copy the widget URL. In your OBS, add a browser source and paste the widget URL in the URL box. Now you can place it anywhere you want. Oh, and if it gets stuck showing clean mic, just select the voice in Voicemod and then switch it back to the clean mic and the badge should disappear. And that is it. You are now ready to use Voicemod's Twitch extension. However, you can take it a little step further. what if you want to give your viewers the choice to use channel points to trigger Voicemod as well? Well, you can easily do that with streamer.bot. If you want to know how to set that up, as well as a bunch of other channel point ideas that keep your viewers extra entertained, then check out the video right here. And as always, stream better, stream smart.